Did you know that in some places, it's still illegal to whittle without a license? Yeah, you heard that right. That's just one of the wild remnants of ancient laws that somehow still exist in our modern world. Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. Today, we're diving into the bizarre world of ancient laws that haven't quite faded into history. You might be surprised to find out how some of these old-school rules are still hanging around and affecting our lives today. So, let's jump right in. Alright, let's get into the meat of the video. Here are 15 ancient laws that are still on the books today. 1. The Law of the 12 Tables, Rome. One of the earliest codifications of Roman law, it established basic rights for citizens and is seen as the foundation for many legal systems in use today. 2. The Statute of Monopolies, England 1624. This law still affects patent law and intellectual property rights, ensuring that inventors had exclusive rights to their inventions. 3. The Napoleonic Code, from France. This set of laws laid the groundwork for many legal systems in Europe and Latin America, focusing on civil rights and property laws. 4. The Magna Carta, from England in 1215. Although it may seem outdated, the principles of due process and the rule of law continue to influence modern democracies. 5. The Code of Hammurabi from Babylon around 1754 BC. This ancient law code introduced the idea of an eye for an eye and set the stage for justice systems around the world. 6. Sumptuary laws in various cultures. These laws regulated what people could wear based on their social class, and while less common now, some modern fashion laws still echo this. 7. The Law of Attraction in ancient Egypt. While not a law in the traditional sense, the belief in the influence of one's actions on the future is a concept that persists in many legal and ethical frameworks. 8. Laws against witchcraft in various cultures. Though not enforced, remnants of these laws can still be found in some legal systems, reflecting ongoing societal fears. 9. Adultery laws, various. In some countries, laws against adultery still exist and can affect divorce proceedings and custody battles. 10. Anti-Littering laws, various. These laws can trace their roots back to ancient civilizations that valued cleanliness and public health. 11. Vagrancy laws, various. Originating in medieval times, these laws still exist and often target homeless individuals in many societies today. 12. Animal cruelty laws, from various ancient societies. Many ancient societies had laws protecting animals, and their spirit lives on in modern animal welfare legislation. 13. Licensing laws for professions from various ancient times. The concept of requiring licenses for certain trades has its roots in ancient times, aiming to ensure quality and safety. 14. Inheritance laws, various. Many cultures historically had laws governing the distribution of property upon death, which still influence modern inheritance practices. 15. Blasphemy laws, various. These laws, meant to protect religious sentiments, can still be found in some countries today, sparking debates about freedom of speech. Now here's where it gets really interesting. One of the most controversial ancient laws still in effect today is the blasphemy law. In some countries, you can actually be prosecuted for expressing an opinion that offends religious beliefs. Can you believe that? In a world where we value freedom of expression, the implications of such a law can be pretty alarming. It raises questions about how we balance respect for traditions with our rights as individuals. It's a hot topic that continues to spark debate and protests across the globe. So, there you have it. We've explored some pretty surprising ancient laws that are still lurking in our legal systems today. From the Magna Carta to blasphemy laws, these remnants of the past have shaped our legal frameworks and continue to impact our daily lives. It's fascinating to see how history influences our present and reminds us of the values we carry forward. What do you think about these ancient laws? Do Do you think they still have a place in modern society? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to check out my next one where we dive into more quirky laws from around the world. Thanks for watching.